Yeah, we don't know Shed Negus. Yeah.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
You don't know if a wonderful guest in the building tonight.
Hey.
You don't know so the camera thing a film thing.
What was say? Hey.
One nation.
Bad director.
What was say? Hey.
Bad producer.
Imara nation.
Bad cameraman.
Hey.
Adonis Films.
Sure, nigga. Piss him off all my shit. She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga. Which daughter? Flow stinker and shit. Leave him pissed when I shit. Y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me like, They switched. I went low key, came back and then changed the flavoration.
I am show the music video, you know.
It's up in my nation.
Yeah, man, the big bad music video I drop out there.
Be around the way.
Them man are responsible for it.
Make money stick to the plan. What me say? Eagle, Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teeth me style and I tell me thanks. Them teeth me style and I tell me thanks. Eagle, Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teeth me style and I tell me thanks. What me do? Me down to earth like the Flintstone. Me down to earth like my big toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend no. Everything real deal from head to toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Yeah, me down to earth like the Flintstone. Javin, you tell me if you watch my friend go. You lost straight up some corny. You cannot hold back a flow. See nigga the position that I'm in, the boss is in that position of power you don't want me in it. I couldn't come in where you were talking minutes. Now your girl pennies, I'm all up in it. Be very turbulence when I launch them. It's a put it so far.
She's saying her town says tickle.
I got some for the strap I could give her. Some weed that's a very good sex for my nigga. Like me that make between her legs from the river. Before she get bent in pretzel positions.
Hey.
I got some for the strap I could give her. Some weed that's a very good sex for my nigga. Like me that make between her legs from the river. Before she get bent in pretzel positions. Hey.
Stop it!
Easy. Yo. What a wonderful intro. Yeah. Ladies and gentle G's, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to another episode of Imara Nation podcast. You understand? It was a long time forward, you understand? We're on the G, the writer, so. Big, bad director. You understand? Now, if I talk, brother, first of all, we've been supposed to do this. Long time.
Big facts.
But the timing is perfect. You see me? Ladies and gentle G's. To the left of me, I have Adonis Films. You understand? I forget the dog. A big intro.
Wow.
Reason why? First of all, the man I'm a G from Atala time. You see me? From before we even touch America, now we're America, grown adults. You see me? That's number one. You see me? Number two, where we used to go to school together. Yeah. Now, you know, we used to live across the road from each other.
Yep. Big facts.
You see me? And then we go to school together. Then we drop in the foreign years after.
Jaja.
Living in the same state. Andy.
Bruh.
Respect. Oh, go on, brother.
Yeah, I'm there, man.
The G there, finally. Brother, it was a long time I was supposed to do this, you know.
Brother, she didn't even know, dog.
Long time.
Real, man.
But we're there, so. Timing is perfect. We just dropped the video, as I said, but we're not going to talk about that right now. You see me, because I didn't mind responsible for that. But before we even go into that, bro, like,
yeah.
As I said, we grew up a yard.
Yep.
Same place, you see me? So before we even go in at, like, you know, the big production and the picture thing and the video thing, like, who is Adonis Films, bro?
Yo, you know what I say, all I go on? Adonis Films is, you can say, a reincarnated self. Because before, most people didn't know me as outer space. You see me? Because I must have been Jamaica dancing.
Yeah, they are dance for real.
With the big mohawk side, brother.
For real. You're the man mohawk, the cut. Man mohawk, one of the tallest mohawk them ever seen in my life. Man mohawk, the weird person. You see me?
She didn't even know, man. So it's like, I kind of find myself I do this video thing. And I kind of fall in love with it still. You see me? And it's like, to be honest, when I just start, I have a brethren at Jamaica. You see me? He usually dance to in a shady squad.
Okay.
You see me? Yankee we call him, but cousin cab. Him have a thing, him company name Cab Concepts. You see me?
Big up Cab Concept.
Brother. So I just start. I go to Baman. I get into the military part, but long story short, at Iraq my day. You see me? On the battlefield, brother. You hear me? I tell you?
Yeah.
I'm a daddy and I say, yo, you know, I want to do the camera thing. At first, photos, but they want to do, you know.
Word.
You see me? And him me usually, consult. Because I know say them man they do it at JA, you see me? Them man they make some big bad video, brother. You see me? I see it and me I say, yo, all the thing they got. And him show me the ropes. You see me? So me have to big him up for that car. If for some people, you know, them going to try to withhold the information. Them not going to share to the car. Them going to pre-say, yo.
Competition.
You're going to get better than them or
facts.
Them style.
That's a huge downfall for a lot of people, bro.
You mean?
Because instead of networking and building with trustworthy people, you know, so you at the end of the day, once you go to boom now and you invest your time for you show them knowledge, you know, brother.
Yeah.
That's why if you know you have run it too, because you have some people where you help them and them just use information and them just fuck off with you.
Yeah.
But that's why if you know who you build with, because you have a trustworthy team now where you bring down the knowledge and you show them XYZ now. Bro, if them make it before you, you know, you don't think they're gonna drag you up?
That's what I'm saying.
Why put the risk on you alone when you have other people in the group where can have potential and can make it too?
Yeah.
Your thing might not pop. For them thing might pop before you. You know what I mean? So it like una at greater odds of doing great things if everybody is involved.
Yeah, but you have a pre, you know, brother. Envy make people do them something there, you know.
Oh yes.
You see me? Because them decide say, hey, what? Me want to be the star. Me
they
want to be the main character.
Yeah, they want to be the big man.
And me show you how some people are smart. Remember, you know, shoot the video for people, you know.
Yeah.
So essentially, I am not the main character, you know.
Yes.
Or the person with the behind of where they in front of the camera, I should say.
Yeah.
Is the main character. But me not look on it so. For say, me want to turn the camera upon myself to be the star. Come me not look on it so.
Yeah.
Come just like for create, brother.
Facts.
You see me? And look back on the work and make people see the work and say, yo, this bad. I like this. Because at the end of the day, you know, brother, somebody I gonna ask, who shoot this, you know?
Word.
Them people are my people. Not the people who you are gonna appeal to with the song. If you think about it. You see me? Because if you go somewhere, you brother, you make a tune for people. That's not my crowd. Are the people who are gonna want the music video are my crowd.
Definitely.
You see me? So all me if envy you when are two different audiences, me and you would have.
And it's so great, bro. It just don't, bro. You have to remember, you know, like when time people talk about bad mind and them thing that you feel I see him feel as a person. Or a person not really business about you after that point.
Exactly.
But no, it's like the thing changed, bro. It's like you're not supposed to be doing good or better than me in the same field or a different field. When I have nothing to do with me, because you could have been an teller. But you're the best teller. And you sell bag juice. Oh, you're about enough for being a good teller, you know.
Joke thing.
Bro, go blood clot compete to the other bag juice man, them brother.
Exactly.
You see me? And somehow, bro, it's so crazy how a lot of us would actually reach further if we have people involved in what we do. Bro, I'm not going to cap, you know. As years go on, bro, the more me I work with people I know.
Yeah.
Bro, anything me I go for, I try to involve. And that's one thing I can rate with him too. One thing I can rate with you, bro. You involve your brethren them, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yo, you know, you have some people, you know, man. Them have the resources to help you, the information to give you to advance in your field. And we saw that talk about a while ago. Then I see him feeling, but then don't want you have nothing good or reach somewhere.
Yeah, man.
And that a beat enough for we right now. That a beat enough for. When I famous thing them, they're on the resources, and then them come back on the ends. John, you know, say if me that thing, or if me did know.
If me did remember, bro, you know, some other rate.
Yeah, if me remember, bro, you know, rate me, brother.
That don't make sense.
Because if you did rate me, you would have known.
Yeah.
And you'd have remember. Me not for ask none of my real G's them for nothing. Man, I go, yo, dog, you know what me do? My woman I talk about, she wants some comedian in the brother, you know, some bring up her name, right.
Brother, pretty levels.
Yeah, come up on the end and tell me say if you didn't know. Brother, you're good, brother. I'm alright.
Yeah, that's why I say that. My style when it comes to them thing there. Me not have the envy and the bad mind. And brother, them thing they have to take energy out of you, dog. For do that, you know.
Facts.
And that energy we me not have. You see me? Me not do that, dog. You see me? And furthermore, there's nothing for me to gain from that. Because if I overhear somebody looking for influencers, and me have a friend we are influencer, me would consider myself not influencer. So who would I tell them about? Because they work there for me.
Facts. So if somebody need photography, me not gonna say, yo, me can do it. No, you know, some of my brethren are bad pan it. Yo, see him now. Matter of fact, I call him right now.
You see me? And I just this is the thing that.
That's it.
You know what I mean? But dog, what me that say is Iraq me there. And me I say, yo, you know what? want to do something, I'm confide my brother and him show me what I go on and you see me? And I try, I learn, I feel, I try, I learn again, I feel. But one thing I can say, the dog always did tell me, try this something.
Yeah.
Yeah, what? Learn them settings. Yeah. Use the software. Yeah. Learn the thing. Practice the something. Yeah. You see me? I'm going to send the dog the thing, them in pre it. And he will say some babs and say, all right, this wrong, this good. This wrong, this good. Me not getting my feelings and pre say, oh, him a fight me out. Because someone do that too.
True.
If them give a constructive criticism and say, yo, Ray, them take it as bad mind. Oh, this, that, Ray. But I bet I want me get better. Okay, see, after I see your video, brother,
yeah.
The man link me and the man say, brother.
Disgusting.
The man say me feel like I'm me shoot and edit that, brother.
Bumbuckler.
So that big for me, you know.
Facts. For somebody we used to got to advice for.
Brother.
But you see the thing now, the thought process where you have, you will always grow. Because when it comes to learning, you have to put your pride and your ego aside.
Facts.
No one born knowing everything. Even the person who teach you, him need to sit down patient and humble like how you should be sitting down.
Yeah.
To learn. Take the ego and the pride and put that aside if you want to learn something.
Brother. She don't even know, man.
Yeah.
But
so I say dog call and the dog I say, yo, bro, grab.
The man say, brother, bad.
Yeah.
I show them on the video and girl goes to want to kick the glass and Ray and
yeah.
And the man said, brother, that crazy. You see me?
That.
She don't even know, brother. But the thing is, you know, dog. All right, boom. I'm not trying to veer away from the question. But when you say who is, I see me, Adonis Films, brother. Right now, I'm just trying to create between photography and videography, brother. And this is my thing, the dog. Right now, you see me. And to be honest, me have only for clients. The thing I work out. It is start rough, but it a work out.
Yo, I'm tell the dog say right now I'm gonna take up a camera too, you know. That man, yo. What me I do? Me I do comedy, me I do music, podcast.
Yeah.
What else me I do? Me I do camera work too. Watch. I swear to God, and him know the reason why.
Yep.
Me know the reason why, but I'm not say it.
Yeah.
You understand? But to me I say is for the bigger man levels, you so say me start take picture.
Brother.
If me not take picture, my name change.
Nah, get that for everybody, brother.
And this is Atlanta. The work for photography and videography, it is endless.
Yep. Be a creative there, brother.
Be a creative. So if you can capture moments, that's exactly what you do, you know?
Yeah.
You capture moment, you know? You're freezing time, my nigga.
Yep.
This nigga is freezing time. Capturing memories.
Yeah.
You need to put that down on your blood clot. Yeah, you need Adonis Films. Capturing moment. No. wait, something like that. No, we don't like little cash phrase them after your business.
No, man, a slogan. You see me? A slogan.
You see me? Freezing time. Something like, you see me? You see me?
One of them things.
Yeah, something. That bad. But that's exactly what he's doing. And a lot of people want you to freeze time. They want to look back at these memories.
Brother, if I check it in a dog, if I check it in a Negus,
yeah,
photography and video thing will forever stand tall, you know. Because, like you say, people are trying to preserve their memories.
Yes.
And people visual, brother. People want to see things. No matter how much you hear something, dog, you want to see it.
Facts.
People have them wedding, they want pictures, they want video.
Facts.
People are graduate, they want pictures, they want video. You see me, brother? All funeral people go dead. Somebody dead in the brother. And they want picture and they want video.
Yeah.
See me I say? So realistically, dog, I one of them thing the way it's like, you know, you have to have a passion for it in order to do it. Because a lot of people, them just take up camera and them just say them a creator. But in reality, are the accolades of it them want, but them don't want to put in the work. You see me? Them just want to say, yo, me a video man and Ray. And then they make my life difficult sometimes because them go road, Zine, do foolishness for people, and then enough people lose trust in a people who do video and them thing.
And that in result that make them nitpick and want like intervene. Yeah.
So now, you know, if me do a set now, them want to try to micromanage every little thing because them scared.
Word.
Say it gonna be trash.
Word.
And then that frustrating for me, you know, because it's like me I try to give you the best quality product.
Word.
But by you micromanaging now, that kind of hinder the process for me. Same thing with prices. Enough photographers and filmmakers can tell you. The man them will charge the $100 music video, brother. Stop it. You see me I tell you?
$100 though.
Because when me, brother, just hear me I tell you. Because when me go somewhere and quote them a price, them can't understand why me I quote them the price, you know, because them use the $100, you know. So when me say to them, say, yo, it go cost you one 15 bills.
Yeah.
1,250, 3 grand, depending upon what they know the treatment for your music video.
Facts.
Them I wonder, why am I charging me so much?
Yo, speaking about music video, well, we are gonna talk about the music video, but we just want to piggyback off of what I say. What I say is, if you watch my video, you will understand why him charge where him charge. Just link him in the Instagram, Adonis Film.
Yeah.
If him say just pay for But I talk about the music video, but I don't mean for cut them. Unless you want to put that tonight.
But a real thing, that's the thing. Enough photographers and filmmakers will practice them craft, brother. They're actually very, very good. Them have a hard time sometimes I get work because a man understand the intricacies we go behind creating these things. So him feel like say you take up camera and you just point and shoot.
Yeah.
And it's like, no. A years of experience me have to gain in order to create the type of video where you're going to see.
Yeah.
So enough people not understand something as basic as the lens and the camera capabilities and all of the fine detail thing that go behind it. Them thing they are the thing that we have to learn in order to give you the best quality product.
Right.
So you have to pay me for the experience there. Because the other man, you know, I got just put the camera on automatic, you know, brother, and press record, you know. And then you get a video, you know, you say, yo, what is? But then you can't fight him because you're only paying bills.
Which is right.
You see me? So you're
kind of
stuck in a
color. You're not paying for you look intricate cut and the.
No.
You
so now you're stuck between a rock and a hard place because you can't cuss him because bills you pay.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You get what you pay for. One of them situation there. But the man them $100 music video, brother.
Stop it.
Stop there something there.
Stop it.
Yeah, stop. Fuck up my job market, brother.
Spend your bread. If the dog said 15 bills, yo, look at my music video.
Brother.
Look at it. The quality. That's in 4K. Them dancehall artists, them have 4K music video. I mean, I put my mouth and talk. Them big dancehall artists, they don't have the 4K video. When the video stop at 1080p, pussy wall.
You know.
Come talk to me, my general. I want to know. If you don't want a bad video, Adonis Films. I'm to some boy. Dog.
That are the next thing. Production thing at Jamaica.
Yeah.
With the artists them. The problem is a lot of the artists them don't want to pay the creatives down there the money where them supposed to get. And that are not just the man that may shoot the video.
Yeah.
That are dancer and all of the things them where they run it.
That's true.
They don't want to pay them enough.
Hey, you know what too? You know what? We could stop right there, sir. We're not gonna pay. We're gonna talk about the music video in that segment, like a digital lead, you know. Cause working in a music video, I see the ins and outs of certain things. So you're right about that. Yo, just stay tuned. You understand? They don't know say one nation and Imara nation. You see me? What they are with Adonis Films. You understand? Up more. Yeah. Up. You don't know.